Across cultures and centuries, humans have believed in a hidden third eye, an inner gateway to deeper understanding and spiritual worlds. This mystical eye is often linked to the pineal gland, a tiny organ deep within our brains. From ancient yogis to Egyptian mystics, its symbolism appears in art, architecture, and sacred texts worldwide. Join us as we explore the pineal gland's role in history, science, and the enduring mystery of the third eye. The pineal gland sits at the crossroads of belief and biology, revered spiritually as the third eye, and studied scientifically for its role in producing melatonin, the hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycles. This tiny gland has inspired both ancient mysticism and modern research, raising the question, can it be both a spiritual gateway and a biological regulator? In this chapter, we'll explore its history, its science, and the myths that surround it, bridging belief and biology. Long before modern science, ancient thinkers were fascinated by the pineal gland. Herophilus described it as a valve for the spirit, while Galen saw it as structural support for the brain. Centuries later, René Descartes proposed it was the seat of the soul, the bridge between mind and body. Though his theory was later disproven, Descartes' idea cemented the pineal gland's reputation as a mystical link between our physical and spiritual selves, a concept that still echoes today. Across the world, ancient cultures arrived at similar conclusions about a powerful inner portal, symbolized by the pine cone, the eye, and the serpent. The pineal gland, named for its pine cone shape, appears in sacred art from Egypt to India and the Americas. The Eye of Horus, the third eye, and serpent motifs all point to a universal intuition of a spiritual center within us. These symbols remind us of humanity's shared quest for higher consciousness and inner awakening. As the age of enlightenment dawned, the pineal gland's mystery began to unravel. Scientists moved from mystical theories to evidence-based research, dissecting and studying the gland's structure. The pineal gland shifted from the seat of the soul to a biological organ. In 1958, scientists isolated melatonin, revealing the gland's true function. No longer a mystery, the pineal gland became known as a vital hormone factory. The discovery of melatonin in 1958 finally revealed the pineal gland's true purpose, regulating our sleep-wake cycle. Melatonin production isn't constant. It rises at night and falls with morning light, acting as the body's signal to prepare for sleep. This hormone, often called the hormone of darkness, is triggered by the absence of light and helps lower body temperature and induce drowsiness. The pineal gland, through melatonin, synchronizes our internal clock with the 24-hour day-night cycle. The process starts in the eyes, where specialized retinal cells detect light and send signals to the brain's master clock, the suprachiasmatic nucleus. The suprachiasmatic nucleus then tells the pineal gland when to release melatonin, creating a precise feedback loop between our environment and biology. This explains why evening exposure to bright screens can disrupt sleep. Artificial light suppresses melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep. That's why features like night mode exist on devices, and why experts recommend limiting screen time before bed. Understanding melatonin's role has also led to its use as a supplement for jet lag and sleep disorders, helping people reset their internal clocks. The pineal gland's orchestration of sleep is a remarkable example of biological engineering. Its influence extends beyond sleep, affecting mood, alertness, and overall health. Our modern lifestyle often challenges this ancient system, but the science is clear: darkness is essential for healthy sleep. Respecting our natural rhythms is key to well-being. The pineal gland is a tiny pine cone-shaped organ, about the size of a grain of rice, nestled deep within the brain. It sits in a groove between the two halves of the thalamus, just above the pituitary gland. Uniquely, it's not shielded by the blood-brain barrier, allowing it to release melatonin directly into the bloodstream. This strategic location ensures its chemical signals reach the entire body quickly. The gland is made up mostly of pinealocytes, the cells responsible for producing melatonin. Interspersed are supportive interstitial cells, similar to astrocytes elsewhere in the brain. The pineal gland receives nerve signals from the sympathetic nervous system, relaying instructions from the brain's master clock. Developmentally, it originates from the embryonic brain's diencephalon, sharing roots with the thalamus and hypothalamus. In some animals, it even forms a light-sensitive third eye on top of the head. In humans, it's lost direct light sensitivity, but still responds to signals from our eyes, a fascinating evolutionary echo. This deep brain location and unique access to the bloodstream make the pineal gland a central player in our body's timekeeping. Its structure and position are perfectly suited for its vital role. The pineal gland's connection to light is more than myth. It's rooted in evolutionary biology. Pinealocytes, the gland's main cells, share similarities with the retina's light-detecting rods and cones, even containing some of the same light-sensitive proteins. In birds, fish, and reptiles, the pineal gland acts as a direct photoreceptor, sometimes called the third eye, helping regulate circadian and seasonal rhythms. As mammals evolved, the pineal gland moved deeper into the brain, losing direct light detection, but retaining its light-sensing chemistry. Now it relies on signals from the eyes to know when it's dark, translating this information into melatonin release. This adaptation turned the pineal gland into a neuroendocrine transducer, converting nerve signals about light into hormonal signals for the body. Some researchers call it an atrophied photoreceptor, a gland that was once an eye. This scientific reality mirrors ancient beliefs about the third eye as a bridge between inner and outer worlds. The pineal gland's dual legacy light perception and deep brain function explains its enduring mystique. It stands as a symbol of the connection between our environment and our internal state. The story of the pineal gland is a testament to evolution's creativity. The pineal gland's influence goes beyond sleep. Melatonin is a potent antioxidant, protecting cells from damage and possibly slowing brain aging. It may help guard against cognitive decline by shielding brain cells from oxidative stress. Melatonin also interacts with the immune system. Many immune cells have melatonin receptors, and the hormone may boost our ability to fight infections. This could explain why sleep deprivation makes us more susceptible to illness. The pineal gland's rhythmic activity also helps synchronize seasonal cycles in animals, influencing behaviors like hibernation and migration. In humans, subtle seasonal changes in mood and energy, like those seen in seasonal affective disorder, may be linked to the pineal gland's response to changing light. Its reach extends into many aspects of health, making it a true biological timekeeper. The pineal gland is more than a sleep regulator, it's a guardian of our overall well-being. One of the pineal gland's enduring mysteries is calcification, the buildup of calcium deposits, or brain sand, as we age. By old age, most people's pineal glands are significantly calcified, visible on X-rays and CT scans. Once thought harmless, recent research links calcification to reduced melatonin production and sleep problems in older adults. The causes of calcification aren't fully understood, but environmental factors like fluoride exposure are under investigation. Fluoride, added to water for dental health, accumulates in calcified tissues, including the pineal gland, raising questions about its long-term effects. The idea of decalcifying the pineal gland has gained popularity in alternative health circles, though science has yet to find a proven method. Researchers are now seriously exploring how calcification affects pineal function and overall health. This convergence of scientific and alternative interest highlights the gland's ongoing mystery. Even after centuries of study, the pineal gland continues to surprise us. Its secrets remind us that science is always evolving. The story of the pineal gland is far from over. Beyond scientific study, the pineal gland, often called the third eye, holds a special place in spiritual traditions. Many believe awakening it unlocks intuition, insight, and a deeper sense of connection. Meditation, focusing on the 7 chakras and breathwork, are common practices to activate this center. Experiences are deeply personal, ranging from inner peace to vivid visions. While science remains skeptical, the third eye continues to inspire seekers worldwide. DMT, or dimethyltryptamine, is a powerful psychedelic found in plants and animals. Some believe the pineal gland produces DMT, linking it to mystical experiences and otherworldly states. While users report intense visions and encounters with beings of light, science has yet to prove the pineal gland creates DMT in significant amounts. For now, the spirit molecule theory remains a fascinating idea at the intersection of neuroscience and human consciousness. In the alternative health world, many believe modern toxins and poor diets cause the pineal gland to calcify, blocking our spiritual potential. Fluoride, chlorine, and additives are often blamed, sparking a wave of detox products and lifestyle changes. While eating clean and avoiding processed foods is healthy, there's no scientific proof that specific foods or supplements can reverse pineal calcification. For many, the ritual of decalcifying is a symbolic act of taking control of health and spiritual well-being. The third eye is a powerful metaphor for intuition and self-reflection, not a literal gateway to superpowers or hidden worlds. While the pineal gland is fascinating, our spiritual and emotional depth comes from the whole brain working together. Embracing the third eye as a symbol for growth and insight, while staying grounded in science, lets us find wonder and meaning without falling for misconceptions. The pineal gland story bridges ancient philosophy and modern science. Once revered as the seat of the soul by thinkers like Descartes and cultures worldwide, it became a symbol of spiritual consciousness. Today, science reveals it as the master of our internal clocks, producing melatonin to guide our sleep and well-being. The pineal gland remains a powerful symbol uniting scientific fact and spiritual seeking, and reminding us to keep wondering about the mysteries within ourselves. If this resonates, hit like and subscribe. Have feedback, ideas, or collaboration requests? We'd love to hear from you. Reach out at holytrillionzygmail.com. We read every message and appreciate your input.